Here we're demonstrating how to change a heater core on a late model Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. In this step, we're going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for reinstalling our blower motor and evaporator core box assembly. Now I have the component right here. It's this great big guy here, and you're going to want to take care of it because there will be vacuum lines running to various locations on it. Now this device sits right on the studs for the airbox. The studs are going to go through here and have bolts that go on the top of them. What I'm going to do is take and slip it down into position right now. You're going to want to make sure that you don't pinch any lines or hoses back behind, in between the box and the firewall. So take an extra look and make sure you don't have anything trapped back there that you're going to need to get access to later. I'm going to take and slip it down into position. Alright, once you have it wiggled down into position, you can take and slip it onto the studs on the upper and lower corner. Right there. From here we're going to take and spin on the two nuts on the outside, put the one bolt on, and there's a stud on the inside we need to put a nut on as well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start the one bolt we have right up in here in the upper corner. I'm going to run it down most of the way by hand. Now being that the rest of the system sits on studs, you can run it down fairly tight because all the other bolts are lined up because the studs protrude through the airbox. There. I'm going to go ahead and put a nut on the stud right here. You can get a look at it. Right there is where I'm going. Run that one down pretty snug by hand. And we have that one stud way down in the bottom that you could see when I tighten down the airbox to the firewall. I'm going to go ahead and put the nut on that one as well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and tighten them down. My 1/4" ratchet with an 11mm socket. Right there. We'll get this upper one. And now for the lower one. All right. And there we go. That is the proper service procedure for remounting your blower motor and evaporator core box to the firewall.